Hello class, hope you all are doing great. I am here again with you with another exciting lesson. I hope you will learn and enjoy. What is this lesson all about? This is a reading lesson through which you can easily identify the overall theme of a simple illustrated story. So we should have our pre-reading activity which is present in your ed box with the name of lesson 17 quiz 1 pre-reading. Before moving on, I would like to introduce what the theme is. What is the meaning of theme? You have already know about the main idea. Now it's time to understand the theme from your reading material. So the theme is the message or lesson that the author wants you to take away from the story. Right? And there is another description of the theme which is present in front of you. It is a main message. What the author wants you to learn or know. It is a broad idea about life, and it is not usually stated, and it must be inferred. The theme is a message or lesson from a story that you can apply to your own life. So it is the lesson or message the author wants you to learn from the story, and the author won't explicitly state it. You often have to infer the theme. There can be more than one theme. It is not specific to the story you are reading. The theme is universal. It applies to everyone. You can see a picture of a bottle in which there is a message enclosed in it. So the theme is totally resembled of it, that the theme is enclosed in your story, and it is not present on the surface area. You have to find it by your own after reading the whole story. We must have some ideas to understand the theme. So there are some questions which should be keep in our mind while reading the story to understand the theme. So the questions which should be keep in our mind are: what did the author want us to think about? What idea stays with you? And what will you remember about the story a year from now? So when you start reading any story, so these must be keep in your mind, and you must be find the answer while reading so you can identify a theme. Themes usually about the big ideas. It can be freedom, friendship, trust, good or evil, education, bravery, and many more. So these must be in your mind, and when you think about the character development, so you should not only think about what the ways they can live, but the type of a person they want to become. And it should be remembered in your mind, and if you remember that story, so that specific idea must be stay in your mind, that you read that story and the theme of that story was about this. So you when you read any story, so you have to identify the idea of the author which he wants us to identify. Let's read the story and find out its theme. The name of this story is Stage Fright. Fright means fear. What is the setting of this story? Setting: Amy's house. After school, Amy and her friend Pete are talking about the play their class is putting on the next day. Amy: can you believe that tomorrow afternoon we will be on stage in front of the entire school? It's going to be so much fun. Pete: I wish there would be a snowstorm tonight. Then maybe we wouldn't have school tomorrow. Too bad it is spring and not winter. Amy: oh, Pete, there's nothing to worry about. We have been practicing for weeks. Pete: but what if I forget my lines? I don't think I can do this. Amy: you won't forget your lines, silly. We just went through them 10 minutes ago and you were great. Pete. But it's different when you are on stage and everyone is staring at you. Amy. Just think about the fun part of acting. You know, the part where you get to pretend you are someone else. Pete. I wish I really were someone else so I wouldn't have to do this tomorrow. So, this is the story. Let's find out the possible themes. What could be the theme of this story? So, through this story, we have to look around at what the author wants us to know and what the message is conveyed by him through this story. It can be one theme or more than one message present in a story. So, what can be the possible themes of this story? There are three possible themes of this story. Be brave, you can do anything. Thinking will not overcome fear, but action will. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. So these are the three possible messages which writer wants us to understand while reading this story. So while we read the story, we must have this question in our mind that what the author wants us to understand from the whole story. Now it's your time to read the story and guess the theme. We will discuss it later. The Blue Coyote. Long ago there lived a hungry coyote. One day he found a juicy bone. He grabbed it and ran away. When he jumped over a fence, he landed in a big tub filled with a blue ink. Now his fur was bright blue. The coyote went to the forest. The animals had never seen such a strange blue creature. They were scared and ran away. The sneaky coyote thought of a plan to make the animals give him all the food he wanted. He told the animals he was their new king. They believed him. They also brought him all the food he wanted. One night he heard coyotes howling at the moon. He could not stop himself. He started howling too. When the other animals heard him, they knew he was really just another coyote. They were angry at being tricked. They chased the blue coyote right out the woods. So let's find out what could be the theme of this story. And never forget to think that what the writer wants to understand the message. What is he trying to convey from this story? So we will have the idea that what is the theme of this story. So there are two possible themes of that story. I think you also thought the same and have the similar answers in your mind. Now what you have to do, you have to go on your chat box. There is a quiz 1 named as lesson 17 quiz 1 reading, and you have to attempt it, like find out the theme of that story. And this is your another story to find out the theme. This is also present in your chat box with the name of lesson 17 quiz 2 reading.